Then remember, this is the tunnel you had been before. Ang dinanan nyo kanina sa baba, nasa 25 meters long po yung haba. Diyan po kayo kanina nang galing, ma'am, sir. Nakikita rin po tayo dito on the top pag magtingala po yung mga tao. So, very hard. At tapos yung makikita nyo rin yung mga size compare po dun sa baba. Kasi sa baba, makapal po ang blood. So, sa 460 at the same time, kaya malit na po sila tingnan doon. And this tank it contains more than 6,000 pieces of fish from over 100 species. Most of them came from Coron, Palawan, only here in the Philippines, because Philippines is belong to the Fourth Triangle of the World. At the same time, Philippines is the center of marine biodiversity, kaya ginawan po ng Manila Ocean Park. 90% from Philippines, bali 10% of yung mga imported dito. And some of our species in this tank are edible species or mga kinakain po natin. Pinipidin po sila or pinapakainin po sila for twice a day, 11 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. Antipidus ko like small shrimp, like alamang, dilis, galonggong, shells like tahong, pusit. And some other fish are eating vegetables like cabbage or the vegetarian species also. Again, ito pa rin yung continuation of the tunnel. This is the entrance na pinasokan niyo po kanina sa baba. So, pwede kayo mag-say hi to them.